Namaskara. Hope you are doing well. Let me get straight to the point. One of the biggest hurdles holding back manufacturing from reaching 25% of our GDP is the disconnect between intent and execution. When stakeholder expectations are unclear, targets become top-down guesses. KPIs multiply without meaning, and planning overlooks real-world constraints. The result? Decisions don't deliver outcomes, inconsistent deliveries, poor OEE, reactive quality checks, and forecasts that don't match ground reality. Add to this the lack of structured problem solving, weak continuous improvement, and disengaged teams. People feeling unheard, unrecognized, and unsure about their future. Performance reviews lose rhythm, audits disappear, actions stall, and collaboration breaks down. Companies end up chasing numbers instead of creating value. That's where Do How comes in. Through a simple yet powerful rhythm of daily work management huddles, weekly sharpening workshops, and monthly business reviews, all fully supported with structured handholding. We have helped nearly 50 manufacturing companies align their teams, energize execution, and drive real lasting performance improvement over the last 12 years. If you are looking to unlock the hidden potential within your people and processes, we would be glad to serve you too. Let's connect for a Do How dialogue.